Alright fellas, I wanted to do a quick video on the steelies for my 88 to 02 C1500. I needed to purchase some tires, and you can get a set of steelies and tires for just about as much as you would pay for a tire. And in this case, you know, a brand new tire on both of these for a great deal. $100 got me two. So who wouldn't jump at that deal? But I do believe this wheel here is a little different style than the wheel that come on my 88 to 02. I think this is a Gen 3 Steely 73 to 91, because if you come here and look, actually that might be from a 02 and newer. Could be a 5th gen Steely. I'm not super familiar with what they all look like, but this is the factory Steely that comes on my truck. This is a 96 C1500. And so yeah, you can see all the little notches there. It's a 5x5 lug pattern. Well, these two here, see the outside, I don't know, that's a little bright. I'll get this up here where you can see it a little better. Okay, the cutouts here and here and here and here. Basically the same as this. Now, the reason I'm shooting this video is this wheel does not fit. This wheel does not go on the truck. And it looks exactly like the one that's on the truck now, except for these, which I'm not really hip towards. I don't know what this is, you know, what it came off of, why it doesn't fit. But I wanted to do a video to warn anybody that might be going out and to buy steelies for their, you know, 88 to 02. This weird hub deal here will not fit over the hub on the truck. See, that one fits over and it's a little different. Let's get a closer look. You know, see how that actually fits around it? It's flush. This has like a lip, and it says 88 on there, and I don't know if that represents the year, but certainly does not fit. So whatever, I'm going to get this tire, I'm going to get it switched onto a rim that I do have. But you know, don't go out and buy a set of steelies for your 96 CK or whatever that fits on. You know, I think this might be from a 02 and up. But these can't be the same, and maybe there's a generation skip. It could be that. No, I'm pretty sure 73 to 91 wheel will fit on an 88 to 02. But not this one. It says 88 on it, but it's not fitting no 88 to 02. I can tell you that. So I don't know. Soak that up the way you want. Just make sure you look into it. But I can guarantee you, if it's got that lip, it's not going to fit on a 96 C1500. So, you've been forewarned. Please subscribe, follow. There'll be more content on these trucks to come.